right at us, Michael.
Scan the car right now.
Michael, Thorne's inside, unconscious, and there's a packet of explosives in the trunk. Not enough room.
We gotta go around.
No room for that, Michael.
KITT, dig in! Dig in!
I have no traction, Michael. The whole slope's coming apart.
I'm gonna hit turbo boost. Try and land it someplace solid. Well, looks like Oakes figured he'd get two for the price of one, huh? Setting Thorne up and using him as bait for me.
I'm afraid he came very close. I'll need Bonnie.
You got her.
Michael, I've been getting some strange readouts from KITT. It's like an earthquake.
No, just a rock slide.
I wish I thought you were kidding. Is KITT all right?
I'm fine, thank you. I love you too. But KITT's gonna need some stabilizer readjustment. We're coming in.
I'll be here.
So much for that. Man, those stabilizers were hit over, under, sideways, down. Michael, didn't you read that part of the driver's manual where it says watch out for the falling rocks?
Yeah, right, thanks. Oh, and speaking of foundation manuals, the foundation manual specifically states on page 47, section C, when not otherwise engaged, the semi-driver should be behind the wheel.
Yeah, but Bonnie's autopilot is so smooth.
Too smooth. Now, see, I would prefer a more personalized driving experience.
We know that you just got here, but you really must be going.
You got it.
Really is a trifle unsettling to find RC chatting away in here while 30 tons of truck rolls down the highway driverless. Well, Michael, our check on Mr. Oakes proved most fruitful. 7 years ago, he tried to cheat an Indian tribe in Oklahoma out of some oil-rich land. He was convicted on 13 counts of land fraud. But he appealed and beat the case on a technicality. A most unsavory man. He makes me fear the worst for Barbara Ralston and Dr. Tanner.
No, Devin, I don't think so. Oakes tried to kill me twice. Now, his compound in the middle of the desert has more security than an army barracks. I think he's hiding them there. I want to get him out.
Well, I would avoid a second frontal attack on the compound if I were you.
I'm way ahead of you. I think I know enough about Oakes right now to find a different way in.
Here's his agenda for the day.
Thank you very much. Oh, looks like he's throwing an exclusive business party tonight at a club. As always, your computers are way ahead of everybody.
Right down to where he gets his hair and nails done.
It'd be a shame to interrupt his moment of pleasure.
Ihr kommt. Knight Rider.